Good morning, friends. I am Praveen Gupta here. A little bit of introduction about us. So I am the CEO of Symphony FinTech, and Symphony FinTech is actually a technology firm. We specialize in providing automated trading solutions for Indian capital market. This company was founded by a group of professionals a couple of years back with long experience in trading technologies for stockbroking industry. We have been working very closely with individual traders to understand their different mindset and their various trading methods, and we include them in our trading platform. So Presto is our trading platform, which is built on latest technology to enable automated trading solution. It is the most advanced today, highly customizable and a comprehensive algo trading platform. This platform is available for live trading with our partner brokers, as well as for paper trading, where you can test your strategy without risking your capital. So let me take you through with the agenda today. We want to talk today about how to auto execute your entry and exit levels. So our agenda for the day today, who all are the traders or the strategists or people in the stock industry, trading industry, who generates entry and exit levels? What are the methods of generating entry and exit levels? What are the current pain points of them to execute these levels? What are the advantage if we auto execute our levels? And how Symphony's Presto trading platform can support this auto execution. We'll pick up a couple of case studies followed by a demo of our trading platform, and then there will be question and answer session. At this moment, you all are on mute so that we can have an effective presentation. But during the question and answer session, you can unmute yourself and ask me a question, or there is a chat box where you can type your question and I'll read it out and I'll clarify and answer those questions. All right. So coming to who are the people who are generating these entry and exit levels? There are technical analysts. They generate the levels. They try and find out what are the breakouts and breakdown levels, and that is where they define where to enter and where to exit. Or there are researchers who calculate pivot points, and based on pivot points, they all again try and find out the entry and the exit criteria. Or there are chart users. These chart users are able to define their support and resistance, which will be the point to enter and exit. There are researchers who do some calculations based on their formula and define entry and exit levels. There are tips providers or the tech gurus who define entry and exit, and they give it to us for our execution. And there are quant and statisticians and strategists who have their formulas, methods to define and calculate their entry and exit levels. So once these entry and exit levels are calculated by them, okay, coming to the methods of generating these levels, the technical analysts use some tools such as Falcon and Spider, which is available here, or there are chartists who use the charting applications such as Metastock, AmiBroker, MetaTrader, or the quant or statisticians. They develop these strategies based on applications such as R, MATLAB, or there are mathematicians, they do some mathematical modeling using Microsoft Excel and are able to generate their levels. Now, they have been able to do their research, mathematical modeling, calculations, and are able to find their entry and exit levels. But these platforms, unfortunately, are not connected to the trading platform here in India, and that is where they find it difficult to execute them. So what are their pain points? If you look at them, since the research applications or their levels are offline, they are not able to concentrate in more than 4 or 5 stocks at a time. to execute these execution levels, or they they are not sure when the entry will happen or when the exits will happen, and they have to spend whole day just monitoring these 4-5 stocks, and this is a productive trading time. They would have possibly done much more than what they are doing today. Sometimes the moves come and they are unable to catch those moves because maybe it was not visible to the terminal, or they were not there in front of the machine when the move came. In case if they do the manual trading looking at those levels, they encounter heavy slippages in the current trading platform. If the entry and the target, it comes in the same candle, or it comes in the same split of a second or split of a minute, they sometimes miss out booking the profits. If they have taken an entry and they have also put the target and the stop loss orders, sometimes the target hits and they forget cancelling the stop loss order, and then they have a risk of re-entering with the stop loss once again. There are certainly human emotions which are playing in between, and which is the biggest killer in our manual trading industry. For the wealth manager or the asset managers, they have the winning formula and they are able to define their entry exit levels, but they want to trade on behalf of multiple of their client accounts, which is becoming difficult for them to do it through the currently available terminal. So we are trying to address these pain points through our Algo Trading platform. So I would like to just explain a couple of case studies before we take you out to the actual demo. So let's look at case study 1, where we are saying that suppose you have got the levels, either you have calculated yourself or somebody has given you these levels, where it's in Tata Motors, the current market price say is going on is 505, but you want to buy it when the market drops or price drops to 500. So you want to enter at 500 and your target will be say 30 points, 530, and your stop loss will be at 490, and you want to trail it. So your order type is going to be limit order. But when the market is going on 505 and you want to enter at 500 and take care of the target and stop loss, that is where you have to wait and see all the price levels whenever they come, and you are spending time in front of the machine trying to find these levels. Okay. So how will you do it in our trading platform? It is as simple as that. Create a CSV file. Okay, fill up this information. So you have the symbol name. Okay, in which instrument you want to trade, whether it is cash, future, or options. One is the buy side. Okay, 2 will be the sell side. How much quantity you want to trade? What is the entry price? And what is the target and stop loss points and trailing point? All right. So once you have defined all of this, you will load the CSV file, start your strategy on your trading will happen automatically based on the entry what it is taken, and once the entry is taken, the strategy will the platform will monitor the targets and stop loss, and it will automatically execute the exits as well. Let's look at another case. So in the another case, say you are able to once again define your trading levels, and you are saying that currently my market price is going on is 205, but I want to enter during the breakouts. So my breakout level say is 209. Okay, so I want to buy at 209.05. So this is going to be my stop limit order. My target is going to be something like 219 and stop loss is 204. Now I already have all of these figures, and now I want to execute it without bothering about when the price reaches. Okay, so since I have all the prices, I should be able to now execute it easily. So what you are expected to do, again in the CSV file, define the symbol, define the side, buy side, define the quantity, again the entry price, target, and stop loss. At the back of it, there is a definition for the type of order. So this time the order is defined as the stop limit order. entry order as the order type of stock limit order. Look at the third scenario where you want to place basket order. Say your Sensex currently at 27,450 and you are expecting that you want to create your portfolio when the market crashes. So you are ready with your basket and you are waiting for the Sensex to drop down to say 27,000, and moment it reaches 27,000, immediately without wasting any more time, you want to run your basket and you want to buy your stocks. So what you will do is you will again create a CSV file, define your list of stocks in which you are interested, define the side as 1 as buy, define the quantity, how much you want to trade, say entry price at 0. So moment it sees the entry price is 0, it will immediately procure. Moment you have started the start button and you have started the trading platform, it will immediately procure all of the stock what you have defined over here. Let's look at another scenario, what you may need. So you have heard of bracket order. So there are a lot of platforms, they are already providing the bracket order where for every entry, target and stop loss, you are making the entry in the system. What we are providing is the bulk bracket order, which means that you have list of say 10 stocks. For every stock, you know whether I want to buy or I want to sell, at what level I want to enter and at what level I want to exit. So why do I enter it 10 times? I should have an easy method to execute this. So this is my list which I have made it. These are my symbols. This is the current price going on, and this is my entry price and stop loss and target and trailing stop loss. I will define this in a given format, and I will list down all the stocks here. I'll say where I want to enter, what quantity, entry price, target, stop loss, and now system will read this. It will memorize this, what it is supposed to do. It will wait for the entry price to come. Moment entry price comes, or for any symbol, it will execute the entry, and correspondingly it will now start monitoring the target and stop loss as it has been defined in this CSV file. All right. Okay, let's come to jobbers. So jobbers are the people who are looking for multiple entry and exits during the day. Okay, so they are looking at market watch, and they typically look at a range. Say for Reliance, they believe that they believe that the market is going to be between 950 and 1000, and they want to trade during within this price band. Okay, so there is a jobbing interval of 5 rupees, and every time when the market drops by 5 rupees, they want to buy, and there will be a corresponding profit booking for that. And every time the market moves up, they want to sell, and then there will be a profit booking for that. Right. So this is how he wants to do it. So let's see how he will do it. So in this CSV file, he will define this stock. It will define the buy side. It will also define at various levels he wants to buy. Say he will start from 975, and he'll say every time when the market drops by 5 points, 975, 970, 965, 960, every time he'll keep on buying one quantity, and correspondingly there will be a 5-point profit target. Similarly, for the sell side, he will have these various levels which is defined 980, 985, 990, 995. So every time the market is moving above by 5 points, he wants to sell it, and correspondingly there is a profit booking of 5 points. Okay. Once he has given this input file to the platform, to this trading system, system will intelligently read this, memorize it, and will keep on doing the jobbing for him at the predefined levels as it is given. Another use case scenario of this is that you are looking at some chart. Say any broker is a charting application where you have defined where you have defined where do you want to enter and where do you want to exit. And this trading platform has an intelligent bridging or a plugin which will plug in any broker to this trading platform to fetch the levels from any broker and execute it automatically without any manual intervention. So we'll come to demo part of this. Give me a minute, I'll set up a demo. Okay, so this is our trading platform Presto, and as you can see, it's a right now there is a market watch which is populated here. You have a couple of symbols where you can see the rates going on. What we have right now done is that we have a recorded feed, and we are replaying the recorded feed to give you a live scenario. Okay, this is the recorded feed of a particular day. Let me show you which day we are showing the feed to you. So this is a feed of 11th of November. Okay, this is the depth order book you can see of the exchange. So on 11th of November at the time is 9:15:29 right now, and we are playing this feed, and the orders will be going to our simulated exchange or a virtual exchange. So this kind of a testing is also available to you, where you can connect and test the performance and execution of the trading platform or of the strategy without risking your capital. Your order go to the virtual exchange, which will behave almost like a live exchange to give you the realistic feeling. So we'll take our first case study. Okay, we have to load our CSV file. So I'm loading a CSV file. This is a CSV file of the case study 1, where we said Tata Motor we want to trade, and for quantity our side is 1, which means buy, and I have an entry price of 400 where I want to enter. My target will be 30 points above, which is at 430. My stop loss is at 10 points, which is at 390. And I will be trailing my stop loss once my entry is executed. So I'll load this input file. And I'll start the strategy. So as you can see, the order has gone. It's an open order. It's a limit order which has gone at 400 rupees to the exchange. Now it is waiting for price to come. Moment the price is reached at 400 rupees, my entry will be executed and my target and stop loss will be executed. Let's see what is the price right now which is going on. The price right now going on is at 522. So it will wait for this price to be reached. Okay. So we'll take up some more case studies, and okay, so now this is what we are running here, which is, so this is a basket order where I have list of stocks which I want to trade in,
based on Sensex, on the Sensex.
and this is the basket which I want to, my portfolio which I want to create based on my Sensex level, where I am saying that I have, I'm waiting for a Sensex to reach to a particular point, and moment my Sensex reaches, I have to take the immediate position, and I have taken this one, which is my buy. I want to buy all of these stocks, and this is my quantity. and my entry price is 0. 0 means immediately moment I start the strategy, all of my position should be taken. Alright. There are no target and stop loss because I am building my portfolio. So we'll run this. So as you can see, moment I have started this, immediately my trades are done in all the respective stocks at a market price, whatever was the current price going on in the market. Okay. Let's come to another scenario. So this is a bulk basket order where I have these list of stocks, and I have defined some of the stocks I want to buy and some of the stocks which I want to sell. 2 is sell and 1 is buy. So this is the entire basket which I have given. I have the quantity mentioned in another column, and then there are entry prices which are mentioned. This entry price could be the buy side entry, long side entry, or the short side entry, depending on the type of side of entry which I am taking. And if the entry is done, we are telling this platform to hit the target and the stop loss based on the given limits. All right. Let's look at the execution of this. So I started this strategy. Now it has placed all the orders, limit orders, because these are all limit orders for the bulk bracket order, and as and when the entry is executed, it will be correspondingly monitoring the target and the stop loss, and if the target hits, it will cancel stop loss, and if the stop loss hits, it will cancel target automatically. So let's see Hindalco. So Hindalco short trade has been executed as an entry, and then for correspondingly, as you can see, there is a target and the stop loss order. This is the stop loss order at 203.25, and 141.25 you have the target order which has gone to the exchange. Similarly, you have Hindustan Liver which has taken the long entry, and there are corresponding sell side exits which are defined there. Okay. Now look at another method of jobbing, how jobbing can be done with this kind of a method. So this is the file which we have designed. In this file, as you can see, whatever is set side as 1, which is what buy I want to do, and I have defined my entry price as 975, 970, 965. So as and when the market is dropping, I want to buy, and correspondingly I want to set up a 5-point profit target. Similarly, on the sell side, I have defined this stock. And I have defined levels as 980, 985. So as the market is moving every 5 point, I also want to take an entry, and correspondingly 5-point profit I want to book. Okay. So you can load this, and on this has been set up to have re-entry as true. So moment the entry is done and market comes back to the same level, again the re-entry will be allowed. So as you can see, the orders are going to the exchange, and whenever the target entry is done, there will be a corresponding target, it will keep on selling. As you can see, Reliance orders have gone. These are all the pending orders which have gone at every level, and as soon as the prices for both the buy side and the sell side orders have gone, and as soon as the entry orders are executed, the corresponding target and stop loss will be executed. The last thing which I want to show you is how an ME broker gets connected with this. So just give me some time. I'll set it up for the ME broker. Just hold on. Okay, so this is our ME broker and this is our trading platform. So in this ME broker, we have written one AFL which generates some buy and sell signals based on some moving average crossover. So what is important is that moment it generates buy and sell triggers, these triggers should get executed automatically with the same execution methodology. Right. So this is my plugin, this is my bridge which connects any broker to the trading platform. I'm doing a bar replay to push the market data to any broker and generate some buy sell signals. As you can see that some triggers have come, short entry has come in SBIN. So there are these orders or trades have taken place in SBI short side in 2 client accounts. So here we have mapped 2 client accounts. So based on single trigger, your multiple client account orders are going here. Okay, and then there is a common stop loss order, and then there are 2 profit targets. So here we have defined that 50% of the quantity will go to one profit level and the 50% balance will go to another 50% level, like 280.9 and 282.35. Okay, 40 quantity was the entry and 20 quantity at each at 2 target levels. And for both the accounts, you have the similar set of orders which have gone. So now platform will wait for the target of the stop loss to reach, and moment one of them reaches, another order will get cancelled. So this was a quick demo of how easily you can execute your entry and exit levels. The moment you have defined them, you should not have any human emotions in between, you should not have any delay in between, and you should be able to execute it using our Presto platform. I'll open the session for question and answers. Anybody who has any question, he can unmute himself and ask me a question or write it down in the chat window. Okay, I have a question. Just a sec, let me just set it up to read it. Okay, so I have a question from Kishore. What kind of support are you willing to provide? So we give you a complete support in terms of explaining you how to use our platform, how to use our strategy. When you board with us, there will be, we will do the screen sharing with you, and we will be taking care of you whatever support is required. So it's a complete online support is available with us when you register with us. I have another question here from Gopaban. Can you please talk about pricing? Okay, I'll come back to you on pricing certainly. What are the charges? I have another question from somebody. Yes, I'll come to you on the charges before end of this session. Does any of this need prior exchange approval? This particular trading platform with this strategy has been pre-approved by exchange, and you do not have to go for any exchange approval if you want to use this particular method of execution. So I have a question here. Hi sir, do I get support if I put up an Algo Trading desk? Yeah, certainly we can guide you, we can help you. Besides explaining our trading platform, you can talk to me, and then we can, whatever is our knowledge, we are happy to share with you about this industry. There is one question here, how to put cover order with stop loss. So cover order with stop loss is what we have shown here, your target and stop loss. So you can define it in your CSV file, your all entry order, your cover order, which is your target order, means your cover order with stop loss can be defined here. Target order, if you put the values, your target order will be sent. If you say 0, then no target order will go. In the stop loss column, you define your stop loss value, the stop loss order will go. If you say 0, then the stop loss order will not go. So that is how you can set it up, and automatically your cover order will be taken care of along with the entry. So we are saying that along with the entry you define your cover order. It is not that one after another. If you want to do it one after another, then it is treated as two separate orders which can be defined here. How can we, so I have a question, how can we use default strategies? Default strategies are preloaded in our platform. We have a couple of more default strategies which are primarily the different method of executions. So we have a couple of execution strategies which are available. You have to register with our with us and now open an account with one of our partner broker, and you can start using our default strategies which are pre-approved by the exchange. I have a question from Ishan. I am an intraday and positional trader, but I don't have coding knowledge. So how do I do it? If you don't have a coding knowledge, if you have some custom built strategy, you can share the strategy logic with us under a confidentiality agreement. We will customize it, we will build it, program it for you, we will code it for you, and we will give it to you. Whatever is the fee, we will tell you once we know the extent of the scope of the work. I have a question. I'm joining by mobile application. Okay, yeah, that's fine with us. So as long as you are able to see the seminar. Okay, let me see if there are any more questions. I have a question. What is the success rate of any broker? We have taken this any broker as a sample strategy. We do not define any, or we do not sell any broker based decision making algorithm. We expect you to bring your any broker strategy and use our trading platform with the execution algorithm to efficiently execute your any broker triggers. I have another question from Dr. Raj. What is the maximum number of orders that can be placed in one file, and how many buy and sell belts can be placed at once in one symbol? See, for each client. See, it's like this, that be reasonable, don't overload the symbol. At this moment, we have not put any limit right now. We are expecting you to be, if you overload the system, certainly your terminal will get hanged, because this is not a high frequency trading platform where you want to send millions of the orders. So limit yourself. The good limit is about 50 stock. 50 rows is really nice to work with. More than that, what you put, your terminal, your viewing terminal may get sluggish. Maybe at 100 or whatever. It depends on the price complexity and the market condition or the internet network condition. But server side, the execution will keep on happening. So nothing will hamper on the execution side, but your viewing side, you may have difficulty if you are pumping too many orders at a time. And I expect you to take multiple login or multiple instances to efficiently optimize it. So I have a question, what help I'll get from your software in this scenario, and what happened when target order or sell order not executed in the day? So typically, like any other platform, it depends on the type of order. So we have, so any order which is a stop loss order, if it is not executed, limit order not executed, it remains pending. Along with the strategy, we also have some hot buttons where you can click on the button, you can square off your positions or cancel your position or cancel your triggers or cancel your orders. So those hot buttons are available for you to do the manual intervention. If it is a positional strategy, you want to carry forward the position, then next day your target and stop loss of the previous entry position will be taken care of by the strategy when you load it. Okay, coming to the pricing. Somebody has asked me a question about the pricing. So this is the price list for live trading. You can take our licensing, and annual licensing is available at 25,000 rupees. Quarterly license is available at 10,000 rupees. Our monthly license is available at 5,000 rupees. If you want to trade as a wealth manager, asset manager, you want to do a multi-client account login, and under this, so you'll have to buy the login license of the dealer, and under this dealer, you may want to map multiple client accounts. For each client account, you'll pay a license fee of 2,500 rupees per year or 500 rupees per client per month. Okay. If you want to do a virtual trading or a paper trading, platform is available to you at 1,000 rupees for 2 weeks of paper trading. You are paying service tax extra. This is our partner brokers list. You should go and open an account with one of our partner broker, and you will be able to use our platform efficiently. I do not have any more question, looks like. One more thing I just wanted to say, that besides this execution algorithm which we have shown you, this is the high level architecture of our platform. This is a enterprise level trading platform. You have server side components which are deployed in the broker's premises. There is an order management system, a risk management system, database. There are APIs which are deployed in the broker's server or data center, which is connected with high speed lease line to the exchanges. On this server, we have these pre-packaged exchange approved algorithms which are deployed. If you come up with your own custom algorithm, then these custom strategies can be programmed by us and deployed on the server side. You have dealer terminal which is available within the local LAN of the broker, or it is available over the internet at your terminal. We have our API gateway. Through this API gateway, we have a ready-to-use plugins, like any broker plugin is available, which can be immediately plugged in. You have Microsoft Excel plugins, so if you are doing your calculation in Excel, you can execute your opportunities or trades through our gateway. If you have built your algorithm using .NET application, you can connect with us using our .NET APIs or Java APIs, or if you have built your strategy using Python, XML, or it is on Portal, you can take the relevant APIs from us, build your bridge, and you'll be able to connect with us. Let me see if there are any more questions. Will it help in creating portfolio by choosing the stocks or adding a right stocks in the portfolio? Yeah, I mean, so you will be creating the portfolio. You can select the stock which you want to build your portfolio, put it in a CSV file, run this execution algorithm, and it will give you the best execution price. So certainly there are people who use this to create their portfolio. So there is a question, when can we start real trading? Moment you have an account with one of our partner broker and you have registered with us by subscribing to the respective license fee, and you are confident to that you have understood what you want to do, you can start your real life trading. Any more questions before we close? So we have, as I said, we have a virtual trading platform. You must test your strategies on our virtual trading platform. You must understand how this platform works. Come to us, practice yourself, be confident, and then you can start your live trading. Thank you very much.